A time where I realized that pharmacy was for me was when I was working as a pharmacy technician at my local pharmacy, and I seen that my head pharmacist had a card taped up on the wall, and it was just one of the patients acknowledging all the hard work that he's done and how they really appreciated everything that he's done for them. That made me realize the big impact that us pharmacists can have on our community, and that's when I realized that pharmacy is for me. My name is Brooklynn Barnett. I am a second-year PharmD student at the Eshelman School of Pharmacy, and my role within the Graduate Professional Student Government is Director of Advocacy. I chose pharmacy school after studying abroad in Denmark, in which I took a drug development course in biotechnology, and within that course I learned about pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, and it was really interesting. And then I came back to the States, and at the Eshelman School of Pharmacy was hosting their very first summer emergent program. And so I attended that, and I learned that pharmacy is so much more than what meets the eye, and I was like, I'll just do this. This is great, this fits me. My experience at Carolina as an undergrad was nothing short of amazing. I've loved spending my time at Carolina. I always felt welcome. There were so many clubs, so many opportunities, and I just never imagined that I would have been able to do any of the things that I was able to do at Carolina. So this really influenced me wanting to go here for pharmacy school on top of us being #1. So I'm very happy to say that I am a double Tar Heel. The Graduate Professional Student Government is divided into the executive, cabinet, and senators. My role of Director of Advocacy includes making sure I am advocating for the Carolina community, which includes all of the graduate and professional school programs. In this role, I'm working towards different initiatives to implement, such as hygiene products in the bathrooms at each of the graduate and professional schools. Also, grants that can go towards professional clothing for graduate students, and also advocating for graduate school housing. Outside of school, I enjoy kayaking, goat yoga, horseback riding, and hiking. Really anything adventurous, I love doing it. My word of advice to anyone that's interested in pharmacy is that organic chemistry is not the end of the world.
That's a great one. That's a good one.